Cold tar repairs can stop leaks fast but require careful prep and technique to last. Start by thoroughly cleaning the area using a stiff wire brush and a solvent like mineral spirits to remove dirt, loose tar, and old sealant. Cleaning is the single most important step because adhesives cannot bond to contamination. Heat the tar patch carefully with a propane torch or heat gun until it becomes pliable but not smoking, and always keep the flame moving to avoid burning the substrate. Apply the cold tar product in thin layers and press each layer firmly with a flat trowel or a piece of smooth wood to remove air pockets and ensure full contact. Allow each layer to cool before adding the next. For compaction, use a heavy hand roller or the flat side of a hammer wrapped in cloth and compact until the patch is flush with surrounding material to prevent water pooling and premature failure. Always check weather and do work when temperatures are above 40 degrees Fahrenheit and surfaces are dry because moisture and cold prevent proper adhesion and curing. Finish the repair by sealing edges with a compatible sealant and inspecting after the first rain to confirm the repair is watertight. Common mistakes include skipping proper cleaning, which leads to immediate failure, so always remove all loose material and contaminants before applying patch. Another frequent error is under compacting the material, which lets water infiltrate, so press and roll each layer firmly and test for flushness with the surrounding surface. Working on wet or cold days often ruins adhesion and curing, so postpone the job until conditions are warm and dry, or use a temporary tarp until you can work in proper conditions. Finally, neglecting safety gear risks burns and fumes, so always wear gloves made for chemical resistance, eye protection, and a respirator rated for organic vapors when using solvents or heating tar. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work related to repair and maintenance projects. We also host a discussion community where users share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other about hands-on repairs and best practices.